You walking in the room grows quiet, like the world leans in to hear your name. The small things you do become a riot of colors that I never knew I claimed. I tried to keep my distance, stay polite, kept my edges sharp to guard my heart. Then your smile came soft and rewrote the night, and all my careful walls began to fall apart. You make me wanna love you, not just stay, not just survive another ordinary day. You pull the light from places I had closed, wake every corner of me that forgot how to glow. You make me wanna love you, that's all I know. There's kindness in the way you laugh at nothing, a tender stubbornness that won't let go. You turn the silence into something singing, teach me the words I've needed